Hello kids, let us talk about numbers today. Numbers is divided into two parts, real numbers, imaginary numbers. Real number is again divided into two parts, rational numbers, irrational numbers. So basically real numbers includes everything, all kind of numbers, positive numbers, negative numbers, pi, everything is included in real numbers. Why? Because it includes both rational and irrational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers includes integers. Yeah, it includes integers as well as fractions. Fractions includes all proper, improper, mixed, right? But it includes all proper, improper, mixed fractions. But in this, it includes only those kind of fractions which are non-recurring fractions. What are non-recurring fractions? Like half. Answer is 0.5. It's non-recurring. It's stopping at 5. Or it is including terminating fractions. So 0.55, it is getting terminated or it is not recurring from here. It includes 3/4 because it is 0.75. So it is including, understood what are called non-recurring or terminating fractions. Non-recurring or terminating fractions are the fractions which do not go further. It stops at one place, okay? So it includes all fractions, proper, improper, mixed fractions which are non-recurring or terminating. It includes integers. In integers, it includes natural numbers, negative numbers, whole numbers, even numbers, odd numbers. So basically integers are all natural numbers, negative numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, okay? In natural numbers, it includes positive numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, square numbers, right? So natural numbers includes all positive numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, square numbers. That's why real numbers are all numbers, because real numbers includes everything. So let's do a quick revision of rational numbers. Rational numbers includes integers, fractions. In case of fractions, it includes proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. But those fractions which are non-recurring or terminating fractions. In case of integers, it includes natural numbers, negative numbers, whole numbers, even numbers, odd numbers. And in case of natural numbers, what are integers are what? It includes natural numbers, negative numbers, whole numbers, even numbers, odd numbers. And what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers which includes only positive numbers. Positive numbers means all that includes prime numbers also, composite numbers also, and square numbers also. Now let's come back to irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are the numbers which includes non-recurring, recurring fractions, like 1/3 is 0.33333. Pi, it is 3.1432 something. So it is like, it is continuous. It is recurring, or you can say it is non-terminating. Irrational numbers again includes those kind of square roots which are non-square numbers, like for example root 2. Root 2 is not a square number. So when you say what is the square root of 2, it is root 2. Root 3. 3 is not a square number. So square root of 3 is what? Root 3. Root 5. Root 7. Basically it includes all non-square numbers. Irrational numbers includes all non-square numbers. Now when I say that it includes all recurring numbers or non-terminating numbers, how are they indicated? How you will know that it's a recurring number? Suppose it's mentioned like this, 1.33 above this. So then this is not a rational number. This bar line indicates that it is a recurring number. Or if it is like this, again indicated by a dot, that means this pattern will be continued. You know, so it is again a non-terminating number or a recurring number. In this pattern will continue. And if nothing is mentioned, this shows that this is a, it is non-terminating number. Pattern is continuing, it is non-terminating. This is called recurring number. It is recurring, that procedure is recurring, that process is recurring, it's on. These are called non-terminating number, it's not getting ended. So irrational numbers includes this kind of numbers. So I hope I am very much clear. In this we have learned real numbers, we have learned rational numbers, irrational numbers, integers, natural numbers, fractions, we know what are decimals, we know what are square numbers. So I hope this graph is a clear picture of entire topic of numbers. So very well, by heart this chart. You don't have to by heart, you just have to understand the things and drill this thing in your head, and then topic numbers becomes very easy. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.